Hello everyone! Today I want to share with you the song Here is the Beehive. This is a wonderful finger play song that focuses on counting to 5. It also explores some movement vocabulary as the bees burst around. The fun music and action make it a perfect song for your children. The finger play actions in this song are wonderful for practicing fine motor skills. Stay tuned until after the song to learn some fun activities you can do with Here is the Beehive. Okay, here we go. Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Here they come flying out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Here they come flying out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zzz. Buzz up high, buzz down low. Buzz sings fast, buzz sings slow. Buzz to the left, buzz to the right. Buzz on day, buzz sleep at night. Shh. Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Here they come flying out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bzzz.